I'm with 57th Rescue Squadron, Aircrew Flight Equipment Section. We support the pararescue jumper with all means of parachutes and rigging equipment, whether it be airdrops, arcs, boats, what have you, to get them where they need to recover their patient, victim, or someone in danger. It's a very demanding job. We've done some exercises, joint exercises, area shadow out of Aviano, Italy, where we had some guys go in and do some jumps over there. We've also won for the second time Pararescue Squadron of the Year, which is a significant accomplishment. What I do is very important to the mission. We are directly impacting what the pararescue jumpers do, what they support, how diverse they are, how worldwide mobile they are, and how they get around. So that is a great job to be a part of.